Hello guys, in the today's tutorial we will learn AND with if statement, okay, and with if function. So this is the information I have added, and you first observe the syntax, that is important. So you are already aware about the AND, which is having more number of conditions. You can specify 2, 3, it's up to you. So and it is holding the condition. So here I am going into sheet 2. You can observe here the truth table of AND, okay, how it works, because if you are using AND with if, then you must be aware about AND also. In my previous tutorial I told you about the AND. Here I give the little bit introduction about the AND. So what happened, 1 is nothing but the true and 0 is nothing but the false. So in the case of AND, what happen, if all conditions are true, then it will be true, otherwise false, because the AND work like multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is always 0. So in this way you can easily remember. So in AND, one thing keep in mind, if all the conditions are true, then only it will be true. Suppose A is 10, B is 20, A greater than B, A value is 10, 10 cannot greater than 20, so it is 0. In opposite case it will be 1. So these are the condition. On the base of condition, if the result is true, it will be 1. If result is false, it will be 0. So in this way logical AND work. And then here you can use AND with if. What happen, if all the conditions are true, then it will be true and it will return the message 1. And if overall it is false, it will return the message 2. So now we directly start practical. So it will start with if, okay, and then inside it you have to put AND. So it is having conditions. So conditions, suppose B3 is equals to 32, it will be true, as you know, and this value is equals to suppose 3, then it will be true, closing bracket, and here you have to put the message. So our message is, suppose if all the conditions are true, then here I want to return A, and otherwise I want to return B, and it's close. So what happened, here I have two conditions, you know both are true, so it will return A. Let's check. So A is coming. If all condition not true, it will be returning B. In other cases it is taking B, okay, because the conditions becoming false. So in short, you should know here, if all the conditions are true, then only it will return the true, and then in that case it will return the first message, and if it is false, it will return the second message. So for returning the message concept, we have to use if function. So I hope friend you understood AND with if. So if you understood this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel also. Thank you.